So we're going to go do a walkthrough of the saplings that we planted this spring. Just do a checkup on them. So some of them are losing their leaves. Some of them are doing really well, still have their leaves, and the leaves are just starting to turn colors. Some of the leaves are beautiful colored. So we kind of have them in all states. We have a few on this side. This is the east side of the cabin. We lost several over here thanks to contractors who ran them over. So I'm a bit frustrated with that. But yeah, I mean, a couple of them that we lost and have started to come back along the side there. So yeah, we lost a bunch right through here. You can see Dave playing with one where the contractors just, I mean, they ran over 5 of them right here all together. And we lost all 5 of them that they ran over, which is so frustrating. Which is, you know, one of my many complaints in dealing with contractors. But, I mean, those that we've kept seem to be doing well. We'll see how they winter over and how we do with the winter for them. So this one's pretty much turned colors all the way up the stem. So wandering down through the trees on the west side of the cabin, down in the lower portion, we lost quite a few of these. These we lost not because of anything we did, but because of the voles or gophers, whatever it is that we have on site. They are attacking the roots. So, but this side we have some that have really gorgeous leaves, and they've got some really pretty colors happening on this side, which is part of my favorite part of having Quaking Aspens planted on the property is the fall colors. It's my favorite part. That and the sound of the leaves when the wind blows through them. It's one of my favorite sounds. So anyway. So this is one of the trees Dave just pulled out of the ground. You can physically see that all of the roots are gone, and you can see where they have just been chewing on the tree itself, anything that was underground. So this is why we're losing trees. I just did a count on this side. We planted 75 down here on this end, and we currently have 45 that are alive and have leaves. So we lost about half down here, all because of gophers for the most part. So, which is a struggle. But if we can keep 45 of them, I'll be happy with 45. So we're just sitting here enjoying the nice, cool day. Kind of finished up our list and did a little bit around the site. So just enjoying cool, quiet weather. Dave's got the drone out flying, getting me some pretty pictures of the cabin and stuff. But I'm sitting here and I'm enjoying. So ours are just starting. I mentioned that one of my favorite things about Quaking Aspens is the changing of the leaves in the fall. So our grove of aspens is just barely starting that lovely yellow color. But over here across the street we have some gorgeous yellow foliage. So Dave's got the drone up. He's getting me some pretty pictures of all of the fall foliage and everything, and the changing color of all of the leaves. So we'll include some of that drone footage in today's video for you. So here is a view looking out our cabin window at the one grove of trees on the west that are all changing colors. So pretty up here this time of year. I mean, even looking out across all of the fields, and yeah, everything's just, it's not pretty and green, but it's so pretty. I love the colors. There's our little grove of trees. It's just starting to turn colors.